Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change email in your Notion. So first, go right here to your workspace and click on it. Then go over to settings and here click on your profile picture and on your name. Your account settings will appear, and here under account security you should see email. So click on change email. Here you will have to type your password, so remember to type your password in order to change your email and click on continue. Now you will have to enter your email, your new email. So enter a new email and they will send you a verification code, and you will paste the verification code right here, and then your email will be successfully changed. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.